Today's phrasal verb is fill in. Fill in has several useful meanings. Let's look at some common examples. The first meaning is to complete a form or document.
Please fill in this form. Please fill in this form.
Fill in the missing words. Fill in the missing words. Synonyms: complete, fill out, enter. The second meaning is to replace someone temporarily.
Can you fill in for me tomorrow? Can you fill in for me tomorrow?
She filled in for our teacher. She filled in for our teacher. Synonyms: replace, cover for, substitute for. The third meaning is to give someone information.
Can you fill me in on what happened? Can you fill me in on what happened? I'll fill you in later. I'll fill you in later.
Synonyms: inform, update. The fourth meaning is to fill a space or gap.
We need more chairs to fill in the empty spaces. We need more chairs to fill in the empty spaces. The flowers fill in the gaps between the stones. The flowers fill in the gaps between the stones.
Synonyms: fill, close up. The most common expressions.
Fill in this form. Fill in this form. Can you fill in for me? Can you fill in for me? Fill me in. Fill me in. Fill me in on the details. Fill me in on the details. I'll fill you in later. I'll fill you in later.
Compare. To fill means to make something full. Fill the glass with water. To fill in means to put something into an empty space or complete something. Now you know 4 useful meanings of fill in. Keep learning English simply, clearly, and with pleasure.